Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.3, question number 1e. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Let us find this one. Here you see principal P is given as rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. Rate of interest R is equal to 8% per annum compounded half yearly. That means 4% per half yearly. Per half yearly. Half yearly. A number of years is 1 year. 1 year means 2 per half yearly. 2 for half yearly. Half yearly. We know that amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Therefore, we are getting 10,000 into 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R is 4%. 4 by 100. 100 to the power n. N is 2. Therefore, we are getting 10,000 into LCM as 100. 100 plus 4 to the power 2. Therefore, this is equal to 10,000 into 104 by 100. 2 5 is 10. 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10. It is 0. 2 25. 2 is 4. 2 6 is 12. That is 26 by 25. 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. 26 by 25. After calculating this one, we are getting rupees 10,816. 10,816. We'll find the compound interest. We know that compound interest CI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 10,816 minus 10,000. Therefore, compound interest is equal to rupees 816. And that is the answer. This is the compound interest and this is the amount. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.